Alright, hi everyone, Dhanush here. Welcome back to my channel, guys. So today you are going to see a back workout. So we'll be starting our back workout with some pull-ups. 8 to 10 reps depending on your endurance level, 2 to 3 sets. So the first variation in our today's workout is cable rope rows from a low angle. So it really activates your lats and your upper back muscles. We'll be doing around 4 sets or 5 sets of 12 to 15 rep range with a superset in every variation. Make sure you squeeze your back and stretch all the way front in every rep you do. So once you've done 12 to 15 reps on a low row, we'll be shuffling to the superset, which is a rope pullover using the cable. Just change the angle of the rope low to high and start performing your pullover. Bring all the way down to your legs and stretch all the way up. It really activates your lower lat muscle, which is really hard to focus to a lot of people. Do 12 to 15 reps of each set. Increase the weight in every set. If you can't perform 12 to 15 reps, decrease the rep range to 8 to 10. Perform 4 to 5 sets of each variation. So the fourth variation here is an underhand pull launch. It is also called a supinated pull launch. If your gym doesn't have this machine, you can perform this pull down on a regular pullover bar with an underhand grip. Each and every variation we do in today's workout will be a superset. So once you're done hitting 8 reps in this variation, we'll be doing a unilateral movement. We'll be holding one hand and doing rep range with the other hand, which is called unilateral. We'll be performing 4 reps with each hand. Once you're done 4 reps, we'll be shuffling to the other hand 4 reps. So once you're done hitting the 4 reps with the both hands, then do a iso hold for 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and iso stretch for 5 seconds. So once you're done with the stretch, do 3 non-stop reps to finish the set. And then we'll be supersetting this with a traditional T-bar rows. Just follow me, guys. Yeah, the traditional T-bar rows. Make sure your form is right and use a appropriate weight. We'll be performing 12 reps and squeezing your back in each and every rep and holding it for 1 second and stretch all the way down. The most important thing to follow while performing your back workout to build a V-taper is that squeeze and contraction of your muscle. So make sure you squeeze and contract in every rep, guys. In the last, we'll be doing an iso hold of 5 seconds and then stretch for 5 seconds, which really gives a beautiful pump. So the sixth variation here is a barbell rows with an overhand grip. I prefer for me and even my clients to have an overhand grip in order to activate only your back muscle, not your bicep. I personally feel the underhand grip is more like a bicep activated one. Perform 12 to 15 reps and then we'll superset this with a barbell pull. Just pull the barbell all the way down, squeeze your back, extend your arms. The same just like a deadlift, but a little more advanced movement. You're not touching the barbell to the ground, just pulling it right from your knees, which really activates your upper back muscles perfectly. Make sure you squeeze your back in each and every rep while bringing the barbell up, which really activates your muscles. So the 8th variation here is a rear rises. I put the rear deltoid workout in the back movements so that a full back workout is covered. This really activates your rear deltoid Even your traps has a secondary muscle. Make sure your back is straight and your elbows are perpendicular to your rear deltoids only to activate your rear deltoid, not much of your back. Then we'll be supersetting this with a dumbbell struts. Pick up a heavy weight with which you can do 12 to 15 reps and lift up your elbows a little bit performing those dumbbell struts as I shown in this video. The superset is rear deltoid rise with a dumbbell struts. 4 to 10 reps as a finisher. You'll be having an amazing fun doing this workout. Do this workout and give it a try and let me know your opinions in the comment section below. Thank you guys, signing off for today. Bye bye.